This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. A wooden coat rack with a built-in shelf might seem like the simplest piece in a home, but in the world of woodcraft and home decor, it's one of the most reliable money-making designs you can build. It's compact, it's stylish, and it solves a real problem for buyers: the need for elegant, space-saving storage that doesn't take up half the room. That combination, practicality, beauty, compact size, is exactly what makes this project a top seller in real marketplaces, from online stores to local craft fairs. People love organization, but they love stylish organization even more. A coat rack with a shelf fits modern homes perfectly, especially as more people lean toward minimalist interiors, small apartments, and entryway designs that demand multifunctional decor. Buyers see something like this and immediately imagine how it will tidy their hallway, how it will make their home feel more put together, and how it adds warm wooden charm without overwhelming the space. And this is exactly why it's such a profitable product for creators. It's easy to customize, easy to scale, and easy to market. With small variations in style, finish, or hook placement, you can produce different models that appeal to a wide range of customers, from rustic lovers to modern minimalists. This narration will guide you through its selling potential, design ideas, construction tips, marketing angles, and strategies that will help you turn this small project into consistent income. A wooden coat rack with a built-in shelf stands out as one of those rare woodcraft items that checks every box buyers look for: function, beauty, compactness, and customization. These qualities make it ideal for living rooms, entryways, mudrooms, small apartments, offices, and even cafes or boutiques. The secret to its strong selling power is its ability to blend into any interior theme while still being visually striking. People who shop for home decor often struggle with clutter in small spaces. A bulky wardrobe or a full-sized coat stand is not always an option. This creates a perfect opportunity for compact wall-mounted coat racks that not only organize coats, scarves, hats, umbrellas, and bags, but also add decorative appeal through a simple shelf above the hooks. When designing this piece, think about your target customers. Many homeowners want something clean and simple: straight lines, smooth surfaces, and refined finishes. Others enjoy a distressed, rustic look that brings warmth and character. There's also a growing trend towards Scandinavian-inspired minimalism, which uses natural light woods and straightforward geometric lines. With just slight adjustments, your coat rack design can cater to all of these trends, multiplying your chances of making sales. What makes this item extremely profitable is the low material cost. Often you can build an entire coat rack from a single board, leftover lumber, or reclaimed wood. Hooks are inexpensive, and shelves require minimal added material. The profit margin can therefore be huge, especially when selling in regions where handmade decor carries high perceived value. When building your coat rack, pay attention to the board thickness. A sturdy, solid feel is important, so aim for at least 2 cm thickness for the base and 1.5 to 2 cm for the shelf. Joinery can be simple: screws, pocket holes, or dowels will do the job, as long as the structure feels secure and looks polished. Sanding is your best friend. Smooth edges and surfaces increase buyer satisfaction enormously. Finishing options play a huge role in marketing the piece. Natural clear coats highlight the beauty of the grain and appeal to modern, minimalist homes. Dark stains create a luxurious, warm feel preferred by customers seeking classic or elegant aesthetics. Whitewash or light gray finishes attract buyers who love farmhouse-style decor. And for nursery rooms or entryways, pastel colors can become top sellers. Another important selling feature is the number of hooks. Some buyers prefer 3 to 4 hooks for small spaces, while families often want racks with 6 to 8 hooks for higher functionality. Offering multiple models in your catalog increases your chance of repeat buyers. The hooks themselves also influence the look. Metal hooks give a modern or industrial vibe, black hooks add contrast and minimalism, and antique brass hooks work beautifully for traditional or vintage interiors. The shelf on top is what elevates the simple rack into something special. This shelf can hold small plants, candles, decorative jars, keys, sunglasses, wallets or photo frames. Many buyers say they like having a place to put small items they often forget on their way out. This combination of function and utility is exactly what makes the piece feel worth the money to customers. Marketing is key, and visuals do most of the work. If you photograph your coat rack in a bright, nicely staged entryway or next to a door, buyers instantly picture it in their homes. Try styling it with a plant, a couple of small books, and a scarf or hat hanging from the hooks. The more relatable your staging looks, the more impulse buyers you'll attract. But the real income potential grows when you start creating variations of this design. For example, a rustic reclaimed wood version with distressed edges and worn finishes. A modern floating shelf version with hidden brackets and sleek hooks. A farmhouse-style version with white paint and dark bronze hooks. A minimalist Scandinavian model with light pine or birch and round wooden pegs. A dual shelf version that offers extra storage. A long, narrow hallway version with a slim shelf and closely spaced hooks. These variations take the same basic design and multiply your catalog without requiring new complex skills. This is how one design becomes a full product line, and this is where consistent income comes from. Customization adds even more profit. Engraving family names, house numbers, motivational quotes or initials transforms a simple rack into a personalized gift. This appeals to customers who want unique home items or gifts for friends, weddings, baby showers, or housewarming parties. Personalized items almost always sell at a higher price because of their emotional value. Another powerful marketing angle is promoting your coat racks as small space solutions. Many people live in apartments, dorm rooms, or shared spaces where every centimeter counts. By emphasizing how your rack saves floor space and adds storage without taking up room, you tap into a huge market of practical buyers. Craft fairs, online stores, and social media are great platforms to showcase this item. At craft markets, people love holding and touching the product. This is your chance to demonstrate the smoothness of your finish, the sturdiness of your construction, and the beauty of your woodwork. Online, your photographs carry the story. Show the rack from multiple angles, close-ups of the grain, and in real usage scenarios. In terms of production efficiency, coat racks with shelves are fast to build once you establish your template. Pre-cut wood pieces, pre-drilled holes, and pre-selected finishes help you create small batches instead of crafting each item from scratch. This speeds up your workflow, lowers your time investment, and increases your profit margin per unit. When pricing the piece, consider your material cost, time spent, hooks used, complexity of design, and your local market prices. Many sellers find that customers are willing to pay significantly more for handcrafted home decor compared to factory-manufactured alternatives. Your craftsmanship and design add value that mass-produced items simply don't offer. To strengthen your branding, attach a small label or wood-burned signature to the back of your coat rack. Buyers appreciate when a product feels like it came from a real craftsperson rather than a faceless factory. This personal touch builds customer loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Your coat rack can also become part of a larger set of entryway decor. Matching key holders, shoe bench designs, floating shelves, mail holders, or small wall cubbies can all accompany your main product. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.